It feels good to find a reliable filter. The ICEPURE 847200 refrigerator water filter is a great choice. It directly replaces Fisher & Paykel 847200-2 and 847200 WF models. This means it fits perfectly. Furthermore, it works with popular Fisher Paykel refrigerators. These include models like E522, E422, and E402. Therefore, compatibility is not an issue. This 3-pack offers excellent value. You get clean water for longer. ICEPURE Fisher & Paykel Fridge Filter 3PK is a smart buy. Changing your filter is simple. Installation takes just minutes. No special tools are needed. Just twist the old one out. Then, twist the new one in. You will notice the difference immediately. Your water will taste fresh and pure. Moreover, ice cubes will be clearer. This filter tackles common impurities. It removes chlorine and other bad tastes. Consequently, your drinks will be more enjoyable. Ultimately, this improves your daily hydration. ICEPURE Fisher & Paykel Fridge Filter 3PK truly delivers. This filter is a kitchen essential. It's like a silent guardian. It protects your family's health. You can trust its performance. Plus, the 3-pack ensures you have backups, so you won't run out. Also, regular filter changes are important. They maintain appliance efficiency. This filter keeps your fridge running smoothly. Finally, for crisp, clean water, consider ICEPURE Fisher & Paykel Fridge Filter 3PK. It's a clear winner. Pros: love the quality, super easy to install, great value for the money, fit well and function as expected, nice water quality, very well worth the money, good replacement for our OEM. Installing it was easy, working as it should, great value, good solid filters, comparable to OEM filters, better value than OEM, filter did not leak, attached without issue. Cons: didn't work for our quad refrigerator, had water all over the inside, need to pass 5 to 6 gallons before use, still got higher TDS reading than tap, poor taste, doesn't have arrows near the bottom. Features: brand, ICEPURE, model, 847200 replaces Fisher & Paykel 847200-2 replaces Fisher & Paykel 847200 WF, compatible with Fisher Paykel E522 compatible with Fisher Paykel E422 compatible with Fisher Paykel E402. Filter type: refrigerator water, quantity, 3-pack. Easy replacement. The ICEPURE 847200 is a 3-pack of replacement water filters for Fisher & Paykel refrigerators. It's designed to replace models 847200-2 and 847200 WF. This filter works with Fisher & Paykel refrigerator models E522, E422, and E402. And it's easy to install. The ICEPURE 847200 refrigerator water filters are a popular replacement option for various Fisher & Paykel models like the E522, E422, and E402. Many users found them easy to install, a good fit, and a great value compared to original manufacturer filters, providing good water quality without leaks. However, some users reported issues such as the filter not working for quad refrigerators, causing leaks, or resulting in poor water taste and higher total dissolved solids (TDS) readings than tap water. Also noting a lack of directional arrows on the filter.